Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act fast. First, power off the source device and disconnect Bluetooth so the AirPods stop drawing current. Once done, remove silicone tips and blot the case and buds with a lint-free cloth to absorb surface moisture. This prevents corrosion. Then hold each stem downward and gently shake to let large droplets fall out. Do not use compressed air or heat, because forcing moisture deeper or overheating components makes damage worse. These steps limit short circuits while you prepare the drying phase. Now focus on safe, thorough drying. Open the charging case and place each AirPod stem down on a soft, ventilated surface to encourage drainage. Keep the case lid open so internal cavities dry. Once positioned, place the components in a breathable container with silica gel packets. Rice is a last resort. Leave them undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Make sure to avoid heat over 45 degrees Celsius or direct sunlight, because high heat damages batteries and adhesives. Check connector pins occasionally for trapped moisture. After at least 48 hours, reassemble and test charging and audio. Plug in with a known good cable and watch for charging indicators, then pair to your device and play sound. If one bud is silent, reset the case and repair. If charging fails, swap the cable or charger to isolate the problem. If you see green corrosion, persistent failures, or battery issues, stop attempting fixes and contact Apple service. Document symptoms and steps you took. This helps technicians diagnose water damage and advise repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.